Hi everyone! We know that in times like this, we have to stick together so we can solve problems of our daily routine. Because of coronavirus, we are facing problems in our healthcare system. So, we developed this health mask to help with the lack of equipment in the hospitals. The main idea is to use our creativity. You don't have to use the same materials we used. The first part, we use the Polaseal Sheet that we use here in documents lamination. Then, we got Velcro and fixed it using eyelets. We also got a float spaghetti and sliced it in 4 pieces to glue on the forehead section. The second part, we used a large elastic and fixed a sticky fabric on the edges of it using eyelets. You can vary the size of the masks by changing the length of the elastic. Now you can see the final result in the video. So, this is it. Remember to use your creativity, and if you don't have the same material, try to change for others. Thank you very much and see you.